this video, we are checking out my new EXR Truggy, and we're gonna do some power rallying because we're winning. So this little Truggy is from WLToys, and it looked pretty awesome and familiar. Actually, it looks kind of sad in the front. I guess we can look past the face, but look at this thing. Why can't WLToys make a Truggy that looks this good in a way bigger scale? Now, I say this Truggy looks very familiar because it shares the same chassis as this buggy that I did last year, which also had a lot of speed and power, but this obviously looks a lot cooler. Looks like it has the same chassis, but has bigger tires and way more ground clearance. It also seems like this new Truggy has way less drag, so maybe it's faster. Now, this chassis is the latest version, so it's a little bit newer than this, and if memory serves me correct, it has better takeoff, better steering, and more RPM, I guess. The battery also unclips in the V2 versus unscrews in the old version. This Truggy also has a better looking wing, that's for sure. It has metal axles in the back, but it still has brass bushings, so I figured they would go with sealed bushings by now, or at least shielded ones. The shocks are still friction shocks. They don't feel any better. I was hoping for oil shocks. Now with this Truggy, you get a manual, USB charger, some little tensioners for the shocks, Phillips screwdriver, and a wheel wrench. The wheel wrench looks pretty different than what I'm used to. It has some weight to it. And yes, you can swap the wheels because that looks really sick. I'm definitely gonna need a pair of these wheels for this buggy. All right, now let's just make sure this thing works. Where's that little power button? All right, servo is serving, and pretty quickly too. Now let's check the speed of this little guy. That's 1, 2, 3. Not bad. All right, let's see what this little Truggy can do for speed. I have my old GPS strapped on there. It decided to work again, so that's good because I don't want my new one to get ruined being on this body. It'll probably flip a lot. We have a couple satellites, so track start. Hopefully it will do more than 14 miles an hour. That's what the buggy did, but it should do more because it has bigger wheels. All righty, let's see what this thing can do. Oh, that was kind of slow. Forgot to set the speed. All right, that should be the fastest speed right there. Whoa! All right, it's doing wheelies. Does seem a lot faster. Whoa! It looks like the GPS is making it do wheelies. A lot of pollen on the ground too. Fully pinned. All right, I got it fully pinned here. Looks like it's gonna be about the same speed. Ow. Drives pretty good. A little bit better than the buggy. Woo! All right, let's bring it back. All right, let's see what it did. Stop read, 16 miles an hour. So it's 2 miles an hour faster than the buggy. Not bad. Yes! Nice. Perfect. caught it. Yeah. I don't know if these tires are not broken in yet, but they have no traction on slippery surfaces. Oh, little guy. Yeah. Oh, shocks are bouncy as well. Oh, not enough power. Oh, 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 oh. Don't want it dropping like that. Not enough power for the big ramp. Whoa. It does spin out a lot more than I remember the buggy, but could be because I have the gyro set really low. Nice. Definitely too small for these quarter pipes. Whoa, all right. Nice. You really have to try and use air control to land it, or it'll bounce really bad. Perfect. Whoa. Oh. Trying to scrub the wheels just a little bit. Have more traction. Nice. And it does have some air control, even though it's rear-wheel drive. It's not too bad. You just have to turn up the gyro just a little bit for it to gain traction, but it's better than the buggy, I think, on the initial takeoff. Overall, not too bad for the money.